Kritika, before I say to Kritika, the first kid is Rahul. That the first thing in my life, like a best day, is that the day we got married. The second happiest was when Rahul was born. The third thing is when Kritika was born. We were waiting for a first kid, we didn't have an option. Let it be a boy or a girl, it didn't matter. So when we had a boy, then we were praying that when are we going to get a girl? We were blessed to have Kritika after only 8 years. So after that, we had a granddaughter. That is another day of our what you call good day in our life. And this is something like the fourth best day of the whole year. Kritika is getting married.
एक झटके में मेरे को अगर मेरे को एक समराइज करके एक बताना है तो ये मेहंदी वाला जो था आई मीन लाइक सिंस घर में मेहंदी हुआ था उसका तो ऑल वर लाइक अरे इतना बड़ा मेहंदी शी गोना वेयर एंड कम एंड हाउ शी गोना मैनेज एंड ऑल दैट तो आई जस्ट रिमेंबर्ड सो माय डॉटर शी इज 1.5 राइट तो कृति आई थिंक वाज लेस देन 1 या ऑलमोस्ट 1 तो वो शी यूज्ड टू लव टू पुट मेहंदी एंड तो वो ऐसा डाल के एंड देन शी यूज्ड टू जस्ट रोम लाइक दिस ऐसे ताकि वो कहीं गलती से भी किसी का हाथ नहीं लग जाए या वो निकल ना जाए देन शी यूज्ड टू लव टू पुट लिपस्टिक एंड ऑल दैट शी डिड नॉट टॉक नॉट अ वर्ड आउट तो वो टाइम पे उसको जाके छेड़ना या कुछ करना यूज्ड टू बी फन तो अब मैं जब देख रहा हूँ एंड यू नो हाउ द फन हैज चेंज्ड एंड व्हाट वी डू एंड हाउ इट इज दैट वाज अ रियल awesome moment that I had क्योंकि घर पे हुआ तो no one was there so just me her a good moment here.
Hello, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Karthik was a very naughty boy, right from the beginning. You know, running around, all the time. You cannot sit still.
As age grows, the things have also got mature, and he has become a serious and a responsible child.
Karthik is a very lovely kid. They complement each other in the sense Karthik is very timid and this one is soft spoken and little mild kind of character.
Sa 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 di sa di sa pa ma ma da 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 sa di pa pa sa 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 di sa pa ma ma da 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 sa di pa pa ga ma da ni sa di ri sa அழகே அழகே எதுவும் அழகே அன்பின் விழியில் எல்லாம் அழகே மழை மட்டுமா அழகு சுடும் வெயில் கூட ஒரு அழகு மலர் மட்டுமா அழகு गमदनि सा गरि सा
Awesome. That was awesome.
No, we were talking
No, I
about
was
our
just
college
going
presentation.
flashback, like, you know,
We
my
studied in the same
presentations
college.
and all that. So it all started off very casual, as if just another function, and the last 3 days went like in a just एक पुफ टाइप एक झटके में गया है. बट अगर मेरे को उसको डिटेल में ब्रेक करके बात करना है तो इट इज़ बीन रियली स्ट्रेसफुल. ठीक है, आई मीन प्रेप से लेके
we plan like to the court and उसमें कहीं यहाँ something happens and then you try to regroup and work it out. So we got a lot of support from all our relatives and friends, and the group side also been really cooperative with all the stuff.
So it's been pretty smooth, quite a rocky bump also at times. But then even now if you ask me, मेरे लिए ऐसी लग रहा है कि मैं किसी और का अभी तक मेरा ये पर्सन अगर मेरे को पूछोगे तो this is what I feel कि मैं just have just come to help my cousin's wedding or my friend's wedding. ऐसा भी अभी तक मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा नहीं है कि my sister is getting married, yeah, she's gonna go in like वो अभी तक सीन नहीं हुआ है probably, but yeah the 3 days is like for me to sum up.
I think if I can add, I think it's been an emotional roller coaster, and like he said, like I think it's not sinking in that it's really her shadi, and so we are just like doing task after task after task. But then when there are certain moments where it's been like, oh God, she's getting married, like.
तुम झुकी तब से तुम नजर में आ रुकी. हम तो हो गए समा धीरे धीरे था लम्हा, अब तो होना है वही जो बनाए
effort to entertain you all from our behalf. We're all going to enjoy the live performance of the super singers of Star Vijay TV. Yeah, she's Karthik's second cousin sister, Purnima. Karthik's Tata, who is going to sing for him. Thank you, Periyappa. Uncle, he'll be singing two Tamil old numbers. Those days, MGR and Shivaji. Come, let us hear them singing.
வசந்த மூலை போலே வந்து அசைந்து ஆடும் பெண் புறாவே, வசந்த மூலை போலே வந்து அசைந்து ஆடும் பெண் புறாவே, மாயமெல்லாம் நான் அறிவேனே, வா ஓடிவா, வசந்த மூலை போலே வந்து அசைந்து ஆடும் பெண் புறாவே, சிந்தனை விருந்தாகி சீரிய கனவாகி, சிந்தனை விருந்தாகி சீரிய கனவாகி, சிந்தனை விருந்தாகி சீரிய கனவாகி, விந்தைகள் புரிந்தாய் நான் அறியாமலே, சிந்தனை விருந்தாகி நான் ஆணையிட்டால் அது நடந்து விட்டால், நான் ஆணையிட்டால் அது நடந்து விட்டால், இங்கு ஏழைகள் வேதனை படமாட்டார். உயிருள்ளவரை ஒரு துன்பமில்லை, அவர் கண்ணீர் கடலிலே விழமாட்டார், அவர் கண்ணீர் கடலிலே விழமாட்டார். நான் ஆணையிட்டால் அது நடந்து விட்டால், இங்கு ஏழைகள் வேதனை படமாட்டார். உயிருள்ளவரை ஒரு துன்பமில்லை, அவர் கண்ணீர் கடலிலே விழமாட்டார், அவர் கண்ணீர் கடலிலே விழமாட்டார். சிலர் ஆசைக்கும் தேவைக்கும் வாழ்வுக்கும் வசதிக்கும் கூறார் கால் பிடிப்பார். ஒரு மாதம் நிலை அதில் ஈனமில்லை, அவர் எப்போதும் வால் பிடிப்பார். எதிர்காலம் வரும், என் கடமை வரும், இந்த காக்கைகள் கூட்டத்தை ஒழிப்பேன். புது நீதியிலே புது பாதையிலே வரும் நல்லோர் முகத்திலே விழிப்பேன். நான் ஆணையிட்டால் அது நடந்து விட்டால், இங்கே ஏழைகள் வேதனை படமாட்டார். உயிருள்ளவரை ஒரு துன்பமில்லை, அவர் கண்ணீர் கடலிலே விழமாட்டார், அவர் கண்ணீர் கடலிலே விழமாட்டார்.
गजरा रे गजरा रे
आई बाबा से
It was crazy because we were all running around organizing the whole wedding. I mean, my entire family was like at it throughout the time, and it's nice to see when everything comes together on this 3 days. So, like, finally the day has come, sort of a thing. So, I think they're all happy. Like, itna sara organization karne ke baad, they're like, yeah, now they're like, everyone are like satisfied and they're happy. So last 3 days, a month was crazy, but it was chill. It was more like, हाँ बेटी अभी भी घर में है.
Yeah. Just tell us, how are you feeling right now?
Excited, a little nervous as well, but I'm happy. I'm finally waited for a very long time for this day. It's finally here.
Just this moment is like temporary. It's a memory, of course, but what we both will be looking forward to is when we live together.
Me and Kritika have been talking since February. So it's almost a year, so I could probably say one long journey is probably coming to an end and another one starting. So we've been talking for a very long time, and we've got to know each other very well at this point. So initially it was a little awkward, but then once we started getting to know each other, I think we both opened up, and it was a lot of fun talking and planning things. And one of the advantages that we had with so much time was we could plan a lot of things together, the wedding and what we plan to do afterwards, like furnishing our house and all of that when she's coming back to Dubai. So that was probably a great part.
And because we have been like apart for like what, a year. It's been a long distance relationship sort of thing. So this is the first time we're going to actually be physically with each other and probably tolerate each other. So this is something that I'm looking forward to because we both have different interests, and we both are like, we want to try something new. So that's something which I'm kind of excited. I don't know, that's what I'm saying. It just doesn't feel like I am going from transition from like Miss to Mrs. It's like, hey, Abhi.
मुनिजनानन्दं सन्ततं वल्लीकान्तं चिन्तये गुरुवरं स्कन्दं सन्ततं वल्लीकान्तं चिन्तये गुरुवरं स्कन्दम्
One thing that I like about Kritika is she's very sweet, she's very caring, like she always puts others first, which is probably, I say, one of her best qualities. One thing which I find most annoying about Kritika, I wouldn't say annoying, but then when Kritika gets started on a topic, she just keeps talking about it, then you have to wait for a bit before you can tell her. You can start. I'm going to cut with it.
Adore about him is that he is too, okay, I don't know if it's a very Tamil word, but I'm going to say that because that's appropriate for him. He's too power for his own good. And he's goofy, so there's something that is very cute about him.
When I see Kritika, I see a partner basically. Yeah, I mean, I understand that getting married means that she's my life partner and all that, but I see a friend.
Somebody to, you know, who'll be there for you forever, or at least, like, you know, basically companionship.
From very young age, she is a highly creative girl, and she has the knack how to make you cool when you are angry as well. So whenever I get angry, or at home we have a different situation, she will make a caricature of me. She will draw a cartoon out of me. She will laugh out of that one, and she will see that my anger get diffused because of her action. She is a multi-talented kid.
கண்ணான கண்ணே கண்ணான கண்ணே என் மீது சாயவா புண்ணான நெஞ்சை பொன்னான கையால் பூ போல நீவவா நான் காத்து நின்றேன் காலங்கள் தோறும் என் ஏக்கம் தீருமா நான் பார்த்து நின்றேன் பொன்வானம் எங்கும் என் மின்னல் தோன்றுமா தண்ணீராய் மேகம் தூரும் கண்ணீர் சேரும் கற்கண்டாய் மாறுமா ஆராரிராரோ ராரோ ராரோ ஆராரிராரோ ஆராரிராரோ ராரோ
wonderful wife for for Karthik. She is a multi-talented girl. It all depends upon how Karthik is able to bring the more talent out of her. She is a good pianist. She is a good designer. She is a good artist. She is a good choreographer. She is very good sports girl and decent cook.
Yeah.
And very well homemaker.
Very home.
It depends how.
Very soft and
very sensitive.
Very sensitive.
Very sensitive. How I am feeling right now. The wedding is over. Now we are entering into the second phase, which is called the Nalungu. Then there will be early dinner. Then today's function will be over. It all went extremely well than
We had good
expected.
time.
Than expected. We both felt that she found the right man, right day, right venue. That's it.
We were very happy for her.
We'll have, instead of one kid, we will have 2 kids now. That's how it goes. Karthik's kid and Kritika also our kid. Yeah, we want them, both of them, to get whatever they want, whatever they like in their life. We want them to make their own.
Very best in their life
Yes.
and come up. That's all.
Yes.
Be happy.
Yes.
Be God blessed. Blessed always.
Karthik and Kritika's blessings are from my ancestors as well as from us and her dear and near one, all well wishes.